Okay, I started it.
Okay.
Alright, me and Christina are gonna have a burping contest, and we're gonna see who's gonna win. Okay, you go first.
You go first.
Okay.
Don't mess up.
If I spit out Mountain Dew in my nose in front of everybody, I'm gonna kill you.
Shut up, Taylor. Hey, Cody, can we shut your door?
You're gonna win, dude. Just go.
Okay, hold on.
Go.
Hold on.
Okay.
Why do you have to turn around?
This is your wife.
No, girly girl.
No. You stop, so I win. Okay. No. Everybody comment on this and say who won. And if you don't say me, I'll hurt you. Not really, but still, okay.